good morning. It's Saturday, December 10th, and it's time to draw the winner of the Monument Grills 24-inch charcoal grill. I'd like to thank Monument Grills for offering this giveaway. I think it's pretty incredible of them to do this. And I left the comments open until now. There was one final person that just squeezed in about 45 minutes ago. So without further ado, let's pick that winner. Okay, as you can see, I already have the URL pasted in here. And filter out any duplicate users. Include replies from comments. No, not replies. We don't want my replies in there. Okay, specific command, and that would be Monument Grills. Okay. Show random name. 7 + 2, 9. Let's see how many comments there were. 35 comments. So good luck, everybody. Let's press a start and see who wins. One Old Goat. Okay, that's awesome. Congratulations, One Old Goat. Okay, there you go. The winner of the 24-inch charcoal Monument Grills is One Old Goat. I'm not familiar with this subscriber, but thank you for participating, and I hope you remain a subscriber if you just recently subscribed. You need to email me at kevin@ManKitchenRecipes.com with your name, and I will reply to you with the email of Monument Grills or who you need to contact there, and they will ask for your address and everything, your shipping address or where you want to have it shipped or whatever. All right, so thank you everyone for participating, but don't leave yet. If you didn't win, which everybody that wasn't One Old Goat didn't win, tonight at 5 p.m. Central, Luis at Trumpet Master 77, he's doing a live broadcast. And on his live broadcast, he's giving away 2 of these Monument charcoal grills, or Monument Grills charcoal grills. And of course, you do need to be a subscriber of his. And when he picks the winner, you need to respond within 2 minutes, or he's picking someone else. All right, I'll put a link below for Trumpet Master 77's channel if you're interested. 5 p.m. Central. And hey, have a great day.